let's check these out.
Great success!
I haven't felt this car drive like this in probably 6-7 years.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, where are we? I got lost. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're at Boden and it's time to drop off the Bugatti for new shoes and the new rims. I can't wait to see it. To be honest, I haven't seen them and I don't want to see it till it's on. So let's wrap around the corner and see what's going on. What's up?
You didn't know it with me?
Well, where do you want me to park this baby?
Right here's good. We're gonna check it in and then we'll pull it in.
Yeah?
Yeah, anywhere back here. It does off the cobwebs, huh?
Yeah.
How you been?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see the new shoes and the wheels on this baby.
Yeah, it's gonna look good. We have the tires all mounted, wheels are ready, but
Yeah, I don't want to see it. I
Okay.
want to see it tomorrow.
That's fine,
when
that's
it's
fine.
on because
Yeah,
I want to
yeah,
get the first reaction.
yeah, no, this car's sick.
Thank you. What time do you think tomorrow?
So what's tomorrow? Thursday?
Yeah,
Say like midday.
midday.
What's your schedule? I know you're busy tomorrow.
Yeah, probably early afternoon. I'll be free.
Okay, so we'll get everything done in the morning. We'll make sure
Yeah.
it's good. We'll get our thing done and then
Awesome.
cruise by early afternoon and we'll...
Yeah, I do want to save the original tires and wheels.
Oh no, I already have them sold.
What?
Long time ago before
I
the
knew
deal
about
happened.
this car.
Before the deal.
Oh, no, I'm excited.
Yeah,
Thanks
of course. Yeah, we'll wrap them up.
Yeah.
We'll get them put away for you.
Amazing.
Have you seen the new wheels yet or no?
I have, yeah.
Oh,
Really?
what do you think?
I think
Yeah.
they're great.
Really?
Yeah, it's really
Awesome.
good. Yeah, gonna look good.
Well, let's see what you got going on in your shop.
I'll tell you where the
Yeah.
wheels are so you don't look in that direction.
Okay.
In front of the Temerario, so we won't go there.
All right. What the heck are you doing on this Aston?
Valhalla. So you know much about this car?
No, I had a Valkyrie Spider I sold.
Everyone thinks this car sounds like that car, which is the
Uh-huh.
problem. So when this car got delivered, a lot of
Quiet.
people love it. Yeah, they love the aesthetics, they love the way it drives. It's an incredible car,
Yeah.
but it doesn't have the tone.
Yeah.
You know, it's a V8 twin turbo.
It's
so
missing the soul.
Yeah, it's missing that. So a lot of complaints about the exhaust tone. It has no feel. So this car shipped to us from Florida. We developed a whole system. We're kind of finalizing it now. Absolute pain in the butt to work with. The
Yeah.
worst. Like it's like 12 hours each time we
Yeah.
test fit.
Access is not easy on this.
Not easy at all. But Aston's been great. They've been supportive. Like there's a couple of people from corporate that have hit us up, say, hey, good job. A lot of good feedback. We have a ton of people that are ready to go with the
Yeah.
system. So yeah, this is
Exciting.
an interesting one. Yeah,
Wow, I
it
can't
sounds
wait
kind of
to
like a
see it.
P1 when it's done, actually.
Wow, very cool.
Aston,
Another Aston.
Instead of getting exhaust, Temerario, we just finished development on. It's crazy loud.
No way.
Yeah, cool car. I mean,
If it sounds anything like your Ford GT, it's got to be loud.
I'll show you.
Like-
It's pretty insane.
Wow, you got a lot of Ford. Huh?
Yeah, this one's going back to Chicago. Just finished it. Did exhaust, wheel, suspension, brakes.
Awesome.
That one's going back to Texas. Got a 512 Testarossa.
Man, you need a bigger shop.
We're looking. I need to talk to you. I need to get me a building.
All right.
A lot of 458s lately. These things are going up like crazy. Have you seen?
No,
Yeah.
I haven't been following the Ferrari market.
Ferrari markets
They're always
are
going up.
out of
What do these
control.
go for? Like now?
I mean, they were sitting at like 200 for the longest time, and now they're up to close to 500 for.
You're joking.
Mhm.
$500,000 car now.
Yeah.
Wow.
The GT2RSs are 800 to a
I
million
know,
bucks.
these
yeah.
have gone up crazy.
Yeah. Nothing too crazy right now, but a lot of good projects coming in.
Yeah.
Got Car Week coming up, so we got to get ready for that.
Yeah. Well,
going?
congrats. No, I'm gonna go to the concourse at Wen.
I like that
This-
one more.
Yeah.
honestly.
It's easier access and it's not as crazy.
Yeah.
And better food.
And one day in and out, you know?
Yeah. Well, congrats. This is
Thank you.
amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
Every time I come, you got more and more cars in
Yeah,
here.
there's
So
more out here. SF90. This one's going to Oklahoma. Ford GT.
Nice.
Here
Did you
from
lower
the-
this one?
Yeah, lowered, supercharger,
Yeah.
big brakes. Strike delete, these are super rare.
So out of curiosity, how much does a package cost to supercharge suspension and wheels?
So our average ticket for these Ford GTs are about 150,000, and that's suspension,
Yeah.
wheels, brakes, supercharger, Bluetooth, like all these little things. Like
Yeah, that's missing.
these things wear out from the factory. They're plastic, they melt, so we make them in billet aluminum.
Really?
So all these
Wow.
little tricks, like the bumper delete or exhaust,
Yeah.
little things that
And
we
the
found
rear
out.
diffuser.
Yeah, well the rear diffuser, that's factory, but we
Is
took
it?
off the bumper, so there's usually a bumper here.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
I know it's missing something or it's different.
Yeah,
that's
so
what
it
it
just
is.
cleans
Okay.
up the back. These have been great
Very
for us,
cool.
and people love these cars, and they just need a little bit of modernization.
Fine-tuning.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
amazing.
Well, 150 is not bad. These are going up to like 600-700 now for a regular
especially
one.
striped elite, yeah.
Yeah.
The heritage
that's
ones are
really-
almost $1 million with the Gulf livery.
Yeah, I had one and I sold it for 145,000 10 years ago.
That was the market.
I loaned it to my buddy, and he was in second gear. We were going to somebody's house up there, and he was in second gear going uphill, white smoke coming everywhere, and he thought he's in first, but he was in second
He
gear.
was
So
in third. So that's the common
probably
thing on
third.
these.
Yeah, third.
Yeah,
So he burned the clutch.
Yep.
And I couldn't get the smell out of the car. It was so bad. So after a
Yeah.
month, I got pissed. I just sold it. I lost money on it. but-
Yeah, no, the dealers, when they
Yeah.
were at the dealerships and
Yeah.
the employees of the dealerships working there, they would burn clutches all the time because they would start in third gear. It's
Yeah.
really hard to find first, so it's easily just to start third and then you're bogging it out and the clutches are gone.
Yeah.
So,
Needless to say, I don't talk to that friend as much. Well, Josh, thanks so much.
Yeah, of
Thanks for
course.
the tour.
Yeah, tomorrow's
I'll be
gonna be a
here
good day,
tomorrow.
fun
Yes. As long as I just want to make sure it's not parked outside tonight.
no, never. No, it's gonna go in right now. Come on.
I'm just kidding.
Of course.
All right, guys, we're at Boden, and we're gonna go check out the Bugatti with the new shoes, new wheels, and I can't wait to see it. Let's go check it out.
Oh, you came prepared. You got your jacket and everything.
You know what? I'm all about branding. They don't pay me. Hey, Josh. How are you?
Good, how are you? Good to see you.
Oh, I can't wait to see the baby.
Looks good.
All right, let's go.
I want to bring it in the sun because I think that car needs to be
Okay.
like in the sun. So I'm gonna bring it from the back and I'll bring it right here to the side.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Nothing's like carbon fiber in the sun.
How you feeling? Nervous? Excited?
No, I'm excited. I'm not nervous.
Well, like
It's-
you chose the color just based on yourself. Like,
Well, I know the color may not be exact match, but you know, no one's gonna be color matching. Ooh, I hear it. Woo! Let's check these out. Wow.
wait, you did a good job on the color.
Dude, it blends in perfect. The color came out perfect, even though it wasn't color matched. Oh my God.
Do you notice what I changed? Because I didn't order the wheels for you. You kind of did your whole thing with HRE, but they showed up, we installed it, and I was like, I don't like this. So I changed one thing. See if you can figure it out.
My lug nut?
No. Close. I mean, that was changed, but
Well,
that was part of the deal.
Center wheel is... It
Center
was
cap.
HR. Center cap.
It's HRE still, but it was red, white, and blue, and it looked kind of awkward.
Oh, I didn't even know.
Yeah, so we did the carbon ones
Oh.
because I feel like it flows
Yeah.
better. It doesn't take away too
100%.
much from the car. 'Cause I don't want to
100%.
add too many different colors, you
Yeah.
know? So I think this looks really good. You can still see
Oh
the
my
branding.
God. This looks amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the original wheels too, but this looks clean.
Super nice.
It almost looks like factory wheels.
Yeah.
My God, you're the best, Josh.
We try.
Oh my God, get new shoes, new wheels, and a new detail.
Yeah.
You threw that in.
And fuel. You topped it out with no gas.
Come on.
And
I
this
know.
And you knew it too. You knew it.
All my cars have low gas.
No, literally like 8,
Well-
and I moved it just from here to here, and it like
Yeah.
kept going down like it's not gonna
I hope
make
you
it.
put 100 octane.
Of course. We only put
This
put
guy's a
race
pro.
gas.
He knows.
We only put race gas.
No, this is amazing. Thank you. I'm blown away. The color, I was a little bit nervous, to be honest with you, because
was
you
too.
didn't match it, but it blends in perfectly. You know, wow, very
Yeah,
cool.
Super cool.
Now, why aftermarket?
Why?
Yeah.
Because these tires on a regular stock Bugatti wheels cost about 40 grand just for the tires. And every 4 years, you got to replace it. So if you want to drive and enjoy the car, you know, you got to get an affordable tire over here at Boden.
Affordable.
Hey, 4
Well,
grand?
compared, yeah.
4 grand versus 40?
Well,
I say that's
I
affordable.
think the thing mostly, obviously,
Yeah.
you get a better look, more premium look, a more custom
Yeah.
look, and also you get to preserve your wheels and tires. So if
100%.
and when a
Yeah.
collector type of person wants to get rid of this car or keep
Yeah.
it pristine
Yeah.
in perfect condition, your stock wheels are off the car and they're
Yeah.
in storage and they're safe.
100%.
You
I
can
still have the
keep
original
that.
tires from 2014 on the original
Yeah.
rims.
Jeez.
So, well, I got to go for the ride.
Yeah.
I haven't paid for the tires. We're not going to dine and dash.
I forgot one thing.
Yeah.
Great success!
That was unexpected. Let's get this out of handling mode so we don't trash the front. All
There
right,
you go.
let's go warm up some tires.
That must give you a better, secure feeling. Now that you know you don't have 10-year-old tires.
Oh
on
my
this
God.
thing.
Well, the car wasn't even safe to drive. I mean, every time I took this car out, I was waiting for a tire to blow up. Oh, yay! Oh, wow. What a grip.
all the horses.
God, no slippage.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, where are we? I got lost. I haven't felt this car drive like this in probably 6-7 years.
Yeah.
Because the past 6 years, every time we took it out, like the rubber was like skipping.
Even when you were getting out your house,
Yeah.
it was slip.
Yeah. Well, 40 years of tires. Woo! Right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. This is... And then left or? Oh my God. Dude, it drives like a new car now. Now I can really enjoy the car. Thank you,
You
Josh.
drift it.
Wow. HRE, amazing job with the wheels. Thank you, and Josh, you're the man.
One Kubi at
You're
a
the
time,
man.
huh?
Now I gotta go pay for it. I was gonna dine and dash. You know,
Oh, yeah.
you can't catch me in a Bugatti.
I have your stock wheels, so
right.
yeah, good luck.